Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a few items I wanted to share with you today. I have several little hauls actually. So let me grab it if I can find it. Oh my god, where did it go? Okay, so I've had these for a while. I just haven't had a chance to do a haul. I picked these up. These are from Ali. I picked up the stacked books die set. I think it's super cute. Look at that. I think the books are coming back a little crafty, you know. How does this go? Oh, there you go. It looks like that. So I think that's cute. There was another stacked books that I was trying to get, but it wasn't available. But I also picked up the main. Kscraft has the nail file gift holder, I guess. I didn't have the main piece, and when I picked up one of her, what is it called? Monthly releases. I picked up one of them and it had the Mrs. Claus add-on. So I didn't have the base. So now I have the base and it's really cute actually. It's got a lot of extra parts and there's a little nail polish. There's a bow, there's some labeling pieces, some doily edge there. There's the other part of the bow. So it goes like that. But the nail file piece I didn't have, and I wanted to mess around with the nail file holder. But that would be now like a Valentine's theme. So the other thing is I picked up the November release a while ago. And I've had it here. I mean, I really don't have to show the November release because you all have seen it more than once. But what is this one? See, these bags are so flimsy. It's already, look at that. I really hate this, that this is like, you know, coming apart. Oh, this one is the Valentine's theme, I think. Yeah, flowers, the flowers shop add-on. I made that little mini album for fall. So this is the Valentine theme. Oh, that is so cute with the little stand. You got the little heart balloons. And we don't have to use it for just that little add-on. You know what I mean? Okay, guys, I'm not going to be able to put these all in because the bag is cut up anyway. So we're just going to put that together because I'm going to put that with the other set. This is the heart-shaped Numdex. Everybody's played with these already. Here's the heart-shaped cooling rack, the cookie cooling rack. And this is also Valentine's Day theme. So them crafty girls were about to host a Valentine's theme swap. And this is going to be so handy. I can't wait to get into these. This is the add-on set, I think, for, I think it's the truck. I don't know. I'm not sure. I don't remember. It's been a while. And here's the boy and girl monkeys, the little cute little couple. And then we have the heart hand bag toppers. And you get the little words with it also at the appropriate sizes. I love that. I've already seen several projects with that. This is the cute little ladybug bow set. You got the little heads. There's two sizes, a large and a small. Here's the XO. Everybody loves this stitched little XO bag topper. That's cute too. This is the gumball machine. Oh my god, I cannot wait to mess with this. So many pieces. Then we have the Kisses mini album. That's adorable. Love, love, love that. Here's another mini album. It's the Elegant Tray set. Very cute. Seen some ladies already make this into boxes and a mini album itself. So that's very cute. Even a card. Was it Eve? Somebody made this into a card. So this is a late unboxing, but it's okay. Then this is like some Valentine words. This is the word chocolate, smooch, forever. I don't know what the other words are. Adore, and I what this one is. Anyway, I'm not going to try to read it, but those are the Valentine words. It's the new script. You guys, like I said, this is November. I had it for a while already. These are the little flat bows. These are very cute for making cards or, you know, making flat embellishments. This is the diamond ring box, 3D box. I've seen a few people make projects with this, so I'm curious. So here are the little hinges attachment for your mini albums. So because there's multiple mini albums, like you could use it with this one, the kisses. You can even make the gumball machine into a mini album. Ooh, that's an idea. But you don't have to use it with just these. You can use it with any large die set. There's even a single hinge. There's 3. There's a longer piece here, and then there's a 2-hole set. So very good. Here are some flowers, and you get layering pieces with them. You can make them flat, or you can also make them dimensional. So those are cute. And here's another XO Memdex card. That's cute. Let me move some of this stuff. Okay, there. And here is the Valentine's XOXO love heart shaped key lock. Very cute. Then you got the little hearts that are like chocolate boxes, and I think that's a bow. I don't know. But anyway, like I said, you guys have already seen this millions of times. I love this cute little chocolate box, but in this one, this tells you the top and bottom, and it also tells you how many times you need to cut each strip to assemble this. So many ladies have already created with that. And then this is the little teddy box, embellishment box, I think. It's got a little box in front of the teddy bear. But how cute is that? Just to make that into a mini album even. I would definitely love to do that. That's cute. All right, so this is the November release. Let me get into the other one that just arrived. So this one I purchased again off of Ali. I saw Jenny, Crafty Hilo Girl. She made a beautiful aloha greeting card, and it had these adorable little girls, and they were looking on, you know, she made the card look like a stage. And I found this on Ali. Don't ask me for the link because I don't know. I don't know how to do all that. These are the certain little props that you could use to create your levels of your background, because these two come up to the side, and then you have all these little layering pieces if you wanted. This is the front of the box, and then when you're ready to send it off, it will lay flat. So I think, yeah, we'll see what we can do with that one. Then there's this little giveaway. I don't remember what company. I just, you know, saw it there. So this cute little flower, layered flower, was added with that die. And again, I got that off of Ali. Then this one is the Kscraft December release, and this one is via my husband because, you know, allowed me to get this as a gift. Got it for me for my, I kind of talked him into it. This will be my Christmas gift. Careful what you say, because it might come true. So yeah, this is the December release from Kscraft. I love these bags, you know. People keep telling me they could find it on Amazon. Well, I went on the hunt on Amazon and I sure didn't find it. So I can say for sure December's release is a large, very nice release. Sorry for the crinkling. Okay, so since I have this one in my hand, this is the cart, candy cart. It's 3D candy cart because there's the wheels, layering pieces, you got the awning, and you've got the shelf in the shelf details, and then here's the box part of the cart. So very cool. And then you have, I'm amazed I got these these nice little bags. You have this dimensional, I don't know the official name of this. It's a card. And this card has a layering pieces. So it's similar to like this background kind of card. I hate making cards, guys. So to get this, it kind of encourages me because it'll look like I did something complicated, but it's not. It's a die. It's a whole thing. And then you get even the layering pieces for each of the sections for the card. And on top of that, you get these awesome banners that you can add your sentiment on. Plus these beautiful flowers. So December is looking really, really good. So this one, what is this one? This is another box. I just don't know. I don't remember. But let's take a look because she's fancy. There's some, oh, it's the suitcase. Oh my gosh, this die is awesome. This is the suitcase. And let's see. Lunchtime or lunch. Is this the lunch box? Is that what that's called? So it says lunchtime, have a break, and snack time. So, okay, this is the lunch box, but I think it looks like a suitcase because look at that. You can make it a suitcase, definitely. And then here are the sides, and you get also the layering pieces, the stitching detail. And there's the other side to make that side complete. Isn't that awesome? Love it. Oops, don't let me lose pieces now. Okay. Then you get these words. I'm trying to go quickly. These are the crafty words in the new font. So this one says dangles, rosettes, buttons, sequins, sparkles, and ribbons. So you get nice crafty words. So there you get 6 in this one. And then 6 more. You get stickers, gems, cuts, die cuts. You get chipboard and beads. And I don't know this one. I think it's pearls or something. So you get, wow, 12 words in a new script with the shadow. So that's very nice to have for crafty words. You have this layered die for Memdex cards. You got some coffee themed banners. This is not the first time, but you get the Frappuccino cup, you get the coffee mug with the coffee saucers, and here's the toppers for your cappuccino. They got the coffee pot as a banner. There's the handles for the layered pieces there. And then you get the coffee bean. How cute. Coffee theme banner. We also get these glasses. Oh, how cute. 3 sizes, same styles each. For each style, you get 3 sizes, small, medium, and large. That's cute. I love any kind of nesting dies. So here, this one is the ATC. You get 3 styles, and you got all these layering pieces for your ATC card. Plus, you get a stamp, and you get these different size styles. You've all seen it. I'm not going to take it out. Corset mini album. I've seen some ladies already. I think Soleil and Crafts. She's from Australia. I follow her. And she had created a nice little bag using a different die, adding on the corset onto it. It is adorable. So check out Soleil and Crafts, guys. She did amazing with this one. This is the little punch bug. Punch bug. Perfect for Valentine's Day, for, you know, masculine cards. But this is also a mini album, guys. So very nice. You got all the layering pieces to create your little mini bug. And then here is their little fancy purse, jelly tote. Very cute. You get this nice little label piece with the layer details. Look at that. Very nice. And you got multiple layering pieces on that one. Oh, I like that. Okay, there you go. That's a jelly tote, guys. And then this, oh, this is a lot smaller than I was expecting. So I've seen ladies using this. It's supposed to be a paper clip of some sort. But if you look at this, you could also make it as a kickstand, I think. I mean, we could try, but it is a paper clip, guys, so check it out. Here is the Hexagon Memdex card. Very cute with the heart-shaped paper clip. That's funny. You also get the, I'm trying to put the smaller pieces together. What is this? Oh, this is the coffee shop add-on. That is too funny. That is too funny. When I made the fall mini album with little shop theme, I used my die cuts, my letter die cuts, to create our coffee shop topper. But that is so cute. So that's the add-on for the little shop. This one is the jelly jar, the jam jar. So 3D box. Ooh, look at that little knife. I didn't realize there was a knife. And then you have the words in there that says jam. And you got some cute little bows. Ooh, that's exciting. It's another box. Love it. This one is the milk carton box. And this is the little topper that, you know, you could use to decorate the top of the milk carton. That's a cute one. It's a good size. Very good, handy for the swaps. And then this is the Rick Rack set. Look at that. So fancy. All the different styles. Very cute. I love that. And then this is the milk carton box carrier. So you could use this and add the milk cartons into that and either carry it with these things, or, you know, just up to you. So many ideas, right? All right. So this is all of Kscraft's December release. This is just extra I bought on the side. But look at all the dies that you get for December. My goodness. And they're not tiny. They're not, you know, puny. And they're all affordable prices, guys. Anyway, thank you all for watching. That is it for today. I hope you all enjoyed this little crafty haul. Come back again. If you're new here, welcome. Please hit the subscribe button and join our crafty family. And while you're there, hit the notification bell. And if you hit it twice, that will let your, you know, notification come up as an alert, like I loaded in your video. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great holiday season, and I'll see you all next time. Oh yeah, thumbs up this video. Thanks, guys. Bye.